If you're an inspector or building assessor, when you take a training, how can you be sure that training makes you better? I'm Britt from WB Treese Consultants and WBTC3.com. Here's just a little tip that I've said in class many times to my students. When you take a training, you get out your template, your inspection template or assessment template, whether it's on a phone, an iPad, a laptop, doesn't matter, or even if it's in paper. You get out that template and you update it. Every time you take a training, you update that template. That means that you are not only learning in class, but your tool is getting better, your knife, your iron is getting sharper. And updating it does another thing. It makes you use that new piece of knowledge in the field, which again reinforces it. Because we learn, right? We learn by three main ways when we learn a new skill. We learn it in a classroom setting through discussion, reading, conversation, just that straight input of knowledge. But we learn by application, by putting it into practice. And thirdly, we learn by making mistakes when we miss stuff. As inspectors, we want to skip the third way of learning, and we want to focus on the first two. Learn it in class and put it into that tool and practice it in the field. That's how you make the most of every training you're ever going to go to, whether you love it or hate it. Get something from the training and update your template. Keep getting better, guys.